Hi everybody. So today, for today's class, you are going to be working on designing the cover of your digital sketchbook. So as you can see here, I am under sketchbook assignments, and there is the title of the assignment for the day, which is Welcome to your digital sketchbook. So if I click on it, you'll see it says that you've been given a digital sketchbook for while you're home doing remote learning. This is where you'll add inspirational images, quotes, notes, etc. for the projects that you are going to be given while you are at home for virtual learning. So today, for today's assignment, you're going to personalize the cover of your sketchbook with images of artwork or stickers or illustrations, logos, name tags, whatever you want to personalize the sketchbook for me to know that it's yours. So if I click into digital sketchbook, you are going to see the cover of a sketchbook. Here it is, loading up. So this is your digital sketchbook. So as you can see, it's plain right now. What I want you to do is I want you guys to search up images that represent who you are. So if I go into a tab, new tab, and I Google, let's say I want to look up stickers of, I don't know, cats. No. I'm going to look up stickers of dogs because I like dogs more than cats, specifically pugs because I have a pug. So I could type in the Google search pug stickers. I could Google search images and look at all these cute pugs. So when I'm searching for an image and I want to put it onto my sketchbook, I want to make sure that the background of the image is transparent, meaning that when I stick it on the notebook, it won't have that white box background that you usually get when you stick an image into something. So if I go up here to tools, tools is where you want to go, tools. And you go to color. You want to change it to transparent. So now everything that I search in Google is going to have a transparent background. So I think that this little sticker right here is cute. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to right click. Okay. So to right click, for any of you who don't know how to right click on a Chromebook, you take your two fingers and with two fingers at the same time, you click on your little mouse pad and the right click menu will come up. So I want to go to copy image, and then I'm going to come back to my digital sketchbook here. I'm going to right click again. That's my two fingers, click. And then I'm going to go here to paste. And look, it pastes a little sticker on my notebook. And I can use this, so I could turn it. So if I go up here, I could twist it. See this little like stick with a ball at the end of it at the top. If I click that, I could rotate it. So I could, put the sticker like that. All right, let's say I want to look up another thing. I want to look up, I don't know, my name. Stickers of the name Nina. Oh, here we go. So here's a sticker with the name Nina. Actually, I like this one better. It's cuter. Oh, look, all these down here. I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to right click, copy image, right click, paste. And check it out. I got my name here. So I can make it even bigger if I want to. I can turn it, I can move it. Maybe I want my pug next to it. So organize however you want. Look up whatever images that represent who you are, your personality, your style, whatever. If you go back into the classroom here, I have put a teacher example. So if you click on my teacher example, this is my example of my notebook cover. So see, I filled it up. I completely filled it up. So I put the sticker over here of Frida Kahlo because she's like one of my favorite artists. I put the sticker here of Florence, Italy because I used to live there and it's one of my favorite places. I put this sticker here of Explore because I love to travel. I put this little alien dude because I kind of like aliens and they're weird and they're fun looking. I put this image of a Gemini sticker because my birthday is June 12th and I'm a Gemini. I put this sticker here of this little sunflower music box thing just because I like sunflowers and I thought it was cool looking. I have my name. I have this sticker of a paintbrush and I moved it so it looks like it's writing my name. I got this little doodle of a paper airplane because I thought it was cute. Another little doodle of like branches just for funsies. And this elephant because I thought it was cute and I do like elephants. So this is my teacher example. So you're going to have the rest of the class period to create the cover of your digital sketchbook. And I want to really see some awesome creativity. I want to see some fun images. And I want to know who you are and what your personality is through your sketchbook cover. All right, guys, have at it. See ya.